Okay, harsh. Just don't expect me to show up.
Hey, Andy, I have some calls to make. I'm clear.
All right.
Pizza rolls. Okay, I'm gonna go into this office here to do some work, so I will be in here. Mushroom cats.
Baby, I want to have this
I am
one.
totally alone right now, with only my thoughts. I love it. I'm loving it. I can literally say anything I want. No one is going to hear me. Wish I could have gone with Ryan on that cool retreat! Cheers, plastic boobs! I have hemorrhoids! Doesn't even matter.
Michael's a man of great depth and passion. I don't know what he's searching for out here. I hope he finds it. Lunch.
Well, it is a little chillier than I had thought, so I have fashioned my hat back into my pants. Several hours in, it's time for me to find some nourishment. Now, these woods are full of creatures that can sustain human life. Things like